Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 11th of September 2014 market review. The trade for today is called Grindrod. Code is GND. Last traded price was 24.65. Action is to buy from a low to a high. Entry level will be 24.70 on the dotted blue line here. Target 26.10 on the green line. Use the stop loss of 24 rand, and that will be on the red line. Trades to be executed today is called AGL. Action was a sell. Entry level was 276.63. Target was 259. Last traded price was 265 rand. Open trades at this moment is Billiton and Sanlam. Looking at the top 40 index on the JSE, blue line is the index movement. It broke the dotted grey line of the 5-day moving average and the solid grey line of 20-day moving average downwards. Looking at the industrials, Dow Jones closed last night, Wednesday evening, 54 points higher on a level of 17,068 points. Moved to this lows, broke up again, currently about 16 points negative for the opening at 3:30 this afternoon. Job figures of the US markets are also due today, and as you can see, there's a bit of a sideways pattern of uncertainty here. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 index. Testing the lows and the highs, tested this low, come back, expectations to come back to this low here and go into the sideways cycle, the same as the US markets, Dow Jones at this moment. Looking at ShopRite. ShopRite came physically down, tested 150, came down, broke the low here, started to move higher again, trading at 145. No real direction, in a bit of a sideways slight movement at this moment. Looking at Mr. Price, also in a sideways pattern here. Look at this lows and look at the highs here at this time. Woolies starting to get momentum here at 73.18, 73.20, closed at 73.50 at a bottom level here as well. MTN started to lose a bit of momentum here. We need to see if we can keep it. Came from the levels of 261s, now at the level of 257.55. Need to see if we can hold this momentum, start coming down, or start to go sideways as the previous patterns that followed the last few weeks. Vodacom, totally the opposite. Came down, went a bit up, testing this 133 levels and currently trading at 133. The next expectation high is close to the 135 levels to 134 levels. Looking at the banking sector, lost a lot of momentum. Coming down, testing previous supports here at 164.75, currently trading at 165.50. Markets very unstable, so you're going to see all this instability and volatility in the markets as well. Looking at Standard Bank, got a bit of support here at the bottom at 136.98. Current low is about 135, still trading in a downward pattern between the green and the purple line. Imperial broke to 189, currently trading at 184, big downward movement. Current low of expectation is about 184. Testing that low. Need to track the share closely. After this small momentum became smaller, showed you uncertainty, broke the low, came down. Very uncertain in the market. Big numbers on Friday. 250 from the US markets on retail numbers coming through. Please take note. Volatile market, uncertainty, direction, very small during the course of the day. Enjoy your trading, traders.